Let me show you how you can get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. This is the exact strategy I use to make these commissions. First of all, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products. But the difference between regular and high-ticket affiliate marketing is that with high-ticket, you can make $500 or more in commission. That is why I think high-ticket affiliate marketing is one of the best business models you can start if you want to make money online. Because let me know in the comments, would you prefer to earn $500 or only $5? So the first step to start with high ticket is to choose a niche. And the best niches you can choose are the make money online, health and fitness, and the relationship niche. The second step is to find products to promote. You can go to Google and write high ticket products for make money online or high ticket products for health and fitness. The strategy is to choose one high ticket product that is going to be your main core offer. And remember that it's important to recommend products that are going to help other people. Once you have selected the product, you can start documenting your own journey using that product. For example, when I started with high-ticket affiliate marketing, I bought a high-ticket product. And I started to upload videos on my social media about my own journey. For example, day 1, I make zero money. Day 2, day 3, 4. And also, I started to post the things that I was learning every single day. For example, if you want to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, I'm here to tell you that it takes time because you need to build your own following that know, like, and trust you. That's why it's so important to promote valuable products to your own audience. I promote Freedom Accelerator because I learned from that training how to grow my YouTube channel. I learned the right frameworks, and it has way more information than just YouTube. How to increase conversion, how to use Facebook Reels, how to create between 5 and 15-second videos. Okay, once you start growing your own audience, you need to build a system that takes people from social media to your own world. That means you need to build a 24/7 sales system or sales funnel to collect emails. And once you have your system set up, you need to keep creating content to reach more people because someone is going to resonate with your story. And if you keep uploading content, you are going to get better and you will start to get more views. And then you're going to start collecting emails. And some people are going to start to see your affiliate offer. And if you keep uploading content, you will start making sales, but it takes time. So these are some important things you need to know when you promote high-ticket products. It's important to find a product that has a value ladder. That means when you refer someone to the company, that person can buy a low-ticket product. And then the company can do upsells up to the high-ticket product, which means that you can make commissions in all these steps. It's equally important to have your own domain and email as well, because that is going to help you develop your own brand. For example, this is a page I use to collect emails. And you can see in the screen that it has my own photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. And the last tip that I want to give you is that you need to know your own numbers. You need to see this as a business. For example, you need to know how many views are getting your opt-in page, how many emails are you collecting per day, how many clicks or referrals you are sending to the company. I hope that this information helped you to get to the next level. And if you want to learn from the same training that helped me with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video, like and subscribe, and God bless.